Solving a system of linear equations like this means you have to find the value of x, okay, and also find the value of y, such that when you plug in the values of x and y into both equations, and make both equations hold. So there are two different methods we can use. One of the method is called addition method. So using the addition method, we can eliminate one of the variable first and solve an equation with only one variable in it. Then we deal with the solution of the other variable. So which variable we should eliminate is different problem by problem. So in this particular problem, they want us to eliminate y. So let's take a look at our system of linear equations. Examine the coefficients of the y. So it is 12 in the first equation, and it is 6 in the second equation. By looking at these coefficients, we should think about multiplying a number to one of these equations so that the coefficients of y will be the opposite. So we take the second equation, so 12x plus 6y equal to 9, and we multiply a -2 to the whole equation, which means we're going to multiply to the left-hand side, okay? We also have to multiply to the right-hand side. So we get a equation, a new equation, so -24x minus 12y and equal to -18. So the equation we got here basically is equivalent, okay, to the original second equation. So with this equation now, we will be working with a system, okay? So 3x plus 12y equal to 11. So this is the original first equation, and we didn't do anything to it. And then the second equation becomes -24x minus 12y equal to -18. So this is the system we will be working with from this point on. So as you can see, this system look different, okay, from the original system here because of the second equation. But since we get this equation by multiplying a -2 to the original, second equation, so basically the system here is equivalent to the original system. So the reason we have to have this is because now if you take a look at the coefficient of y, so y is +12, the other one is -12. So they are exactly the opposite. So if they are the opposite, then we can add these two equations together and you will see the variable y is going to be eliminated. So what you end up with is going to be an equation with only x in it. And so we can solve for x first. So this is basically how the addition method works. But in this particular problem, they didn't ask us to solve the values of x and the values of y. So they just want us to find out, what number should be multiplied to the second equation to make, to eliminate the y. So basically, we already have our answer. So we have to multiply the second equation by a -2 and then add in the equations. So we're done here.